Hey everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back here to introduce to you all my brand new product, the Love Light and Locs Gel. Focus. This is the packaging. I love this picture of me. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I have a picture of me on all of my products, and that's because I'm all about lock representation. My locks are real, and I think that it's important to show real locks in hair and beauty spaces. So that's why I'm on every product. Once I have products for men, I won't be on those products. I'll have a man on those products, but stay tuned for that. That's not what we're here for. It's not what we're here for. We're here for the gel. And I am in the process of retwisting my hair, so I thought this was a great time for me to show you all how much product you need to use when using this gel, because I can say a little goes a long way, but maybe my little is different from your little. So I want to literally show you how much. Okay, so I put a glob on my hand. That is what I mean by a little goes a long way. You just need that little for a lock if you're retwisting your locks. The gel is not only a lock maintenance gel, but it's also great for your edges. So if you're using it for your edges, I'm sure you'll be able to fill out how much you need for your own hairline. However, when it comes to retwist, I want it to be very clear how little product you need. And that's important because honestly, regardless of what product you're using, you can get product buildup if you're using too much product. So I really want to make sure that you guys are using this gel optimally. So again, just a touch of product. That might even be a little too much for this lock. Just a touch. And the hold for this product is a medium to strong with just a little bit of product. FYI, my hair is freshly washed, so it is damp. I always recommend that you twist your hair on damp hair. So what I'm gonna do now is finish retwisting the rest of my head. I'm about a third way through. Once I finish, I will be back to show you all the final product. Okay? So as you can see, I have completed my retwist. So for those of you who like a sleek retwist from time to time, this is perfect for you. We all have those occasions where we want to look sleek. Okay, so everybody should have some of this gel for those occasions. I really love what it's doing for my baby hairs right now. You guys are going to love this gel. I can't wait until you receive it. For those of you who have already purchased, it's gonna be officially on the way tomorrow. I'm gonna drop it off at the post office tomorrow. For those of you who are purchasing today, it'll be shipped shortly thereafter. For more details on the Love Light and Locks gel for lock maintenance and edge control, check out my website, www.keishacharmaine.com, and pick you up a jar. Free shipping. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting Love, Light, and Locks. Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up and remember to subscribe. You can always visit www.keishacharmaine.com for hair growth products, hair accessories, and more. But don't leave just yet. Check out my featured video and my latest video.